In this video, you will learn how to easily and efficiently submit order-related change requests via the Festo website. After logging in, please navigate to the My Festo section. To access your order history, you can either click directly on Orders or go to your order history via My Festo. On the left-hand side, various filter options are available. For example, enter your order confirmation number or an internal customer reference to find the desired order. After that, please click Search to display the results. Select the desired order to open the detailed view. Click Get Support to submit a request to us for the selected product. You now have several options to choose from. For example, you can create a complaint request. You can request a product return. Or, where available, submit a repair request. In addition, you have the option to submit a technical inquiry or an order-related change request. In this video, we will focus on the order-related change request. For your order, there are various change options available. These options range from delivery date changes and order modifications to cancellation requests and other inquiries. Please note that your submission is initially treated as a request and will be reviewed internally. You will then receive a prompt response informing you whether and how your request can be implemented. Finally, enter the relevant details of your request and click Submit. Your request has now been successfully submitted. We will review it and get back to you as soon as possible.